Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Harley Davidson credit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Harley Davidson credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in @d visa.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Harley Davidson credit card login like this and hit enter. And on the first page you can see the sdvisa.com over here. Click on that, and after the page loads you can see one was from the initial website or the web address of the Harley Davidson visa itself, whereas the second page is from the search result of Google. Now both are the same page, so let's pause on this. And now to log into your Harley Davidson credit card account, you can see the login and manage your account on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there, and after that you can see the login to your account, manage your gift card, account services, if you're a friend, tell a story. Now to log into your account, simply click on login to your account like this, and after that let's let the page load. And now to log into your Harley Davidson account, you'll be required to enter your personal ID over here, and then on the next step you'll be required to enter your PIN or password. After that you'll be logged into your Harley Davidson credit card account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your personal ID, you'll be required to click on the forgot your personal ID button to go through a procedure to retrieve your personal ID of the Harley Davidson Visa card. And then guys, this is how you log into your Harley Davidson credit card from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.